Today's medical-centric topic is, can baking soda help you lose weight? The truth revealed. Baking soda, that simple white powder you probably use for baking or cleaning, has also become a popular miracle ingredient in weight loss trends. From TikTok videos to home remedies, people claim it can help burn fat and slim your waist. But is there any truth to it? Or is it just another fad? Let's break it down. The claims. Some believe that drinking baking soda mixed with water, lemon juice, or apple cider vinegar can speed up metabolism, burn fat faster, reduce bloating, improve digestion. The idea comes from baking soda's alkaline nature. Supporters claim it balances the body's pH, making it easier to lose weight. Others say it boosts exercise performance by reducing lactic acid buildup. What science says. Here's the reality. Baking soda does not directly burn fat. No studies prove it melts away belly fat or helps you drop pounds just by drinking it. However, it can have some indirect effects. Exercise performance. Small doses before intense workouts may reduce fatigue and improve endurance for high-intensity activities. This could help you burn more calories during exercise. Digestion relief. Baking soda can temporarily relieve acid reflux or heartburn, which may reduce discomfort and bloating. This is not actual weight loss, just less stomach distension. Risks of using baking soda for weight loss. While it's generally safe in small amounts for cooking, drinking baking soda regularly can be risky. High sodium. Just 1 teaspoon contains over 1,200 milligrams of sodium, which can raise blood pressure. Stomach issues. Overuse may cause nausea, diarrhea, or stomach cramps. Metabolic alkalosis. Excessive intake can disturb your body's acid-base balance, leading to muscle twitching, confusion, or worse. Not for everyone. People with kidney problems, heart issues, or on certain medications should avoid it without a doctor's approval. If you still want to try it. If your goal is weight loss, focus on proven methods. Eat a balanced diet with fewer processed foods. Increase protein and fiber intake. Stay hydrated. Exercise regularly with both cardio and strength training. If you choose to use baking soda for digestion or workouts, limit to half a teaspoon in 4 to 8 ounces of water, occasionally, not daily. Avoid combining with large amounts of acidic liquids like vinegar unless advised by a professional. Always consult your doctor first.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.